Okay, let's take a start. Speaking part one is very simple. There they only have a friendly chit chat with you, a friendly talk with you. So they will ask you some questions and you can answer. Do not give long answer. Do not give indirect answer. Do not just beat around the bush. Beating around the bush means this is the point, you don't come to the point, you are here and there. Direct answer, to the point answer, don't give long answer. 4-5 sentences are enough, right? And whenever you start your answer, if the question is with do you, does, or whatever, then you should answer with yes I do, no I don't, did you, yes I did, or no I didn't, and then you can add some detail. So let's take a start. Your topic is maps. Now it can be paper maps or Google Maps or whatever. You have to answer. My first question is, how often do you use maps? Now when they say how often do you use maps, it's up to you. Google Maps or the paper map. Now you don't need to ask the examiner which maps, right? Whatever you understand to your mind, you can answer. So how often do you use maps?
I do not often use the Google map because most of time I know the path, but sometimes when the destination is new for me, so I prefer to use the map.
Okay, now you answered in 3 sentences. It's a good idea to speak 1 to 2 more sentences, right? Who taught you how to use a map?
No one taught me to use the map. I come up with my own ideas to use the map, but most probably there are some kind of videos that you on the YouTube you watch to how to use the map.
Okay, why do people need the maps?
So the basic need of the map is that you need the path or a way to reach the destination.
And
And
this is a short answer, you need to add some more to it, okay? All right, do you prefer electronic map or paper maps?
so basically I prefer the electronic map because you can pinpoints many destination at one time. Also you can take it anywhere.
Okay, so your answers are short
Short.
and you're just using the same strategy with also or with and you add one more and then it's finished. Just you are lacking one sentence. So if you add one sentence, it will be a proper answer because you know examiner has to evaluate you. As I gave you the example that you make custard for me, right? And you give me a very small teaspoon of custard and you say, sir, taste and tell me how it is. Now with one spoon, I cannot tell you a lot. I need at least 100 spoons, then after that I can tell you.
Okay.
So you should give at least 4-5 sentences to examiner so that they could evaluate you, right? Okay, thank you. Please pass on the mic here. Now, your topic is being bored. Being bored means you feel bored at home, you have nothing to do and all that. My first question is, what do you do when you feel bored?
When I feel bored at home or at my university or at any other place, I just start to use my mobile, and sometimes I play some games to find some activity, or search the Google or my Facebook or WhatsApp to get some activity and getting away myself from boredom.
Okay, yeah, I get myself away from the boredom. Right. What kind of things are boring to you?
The things that make me sad sometimes, that are boring to me, or some very long discussions that have when some discussion is going very hectic or very long, that in the end I get bored. And sometimes when it's not a topic of my interest, then I get bored.
Okay. All right. Do you think young people are more likely to get bored?
No, I don't think so. It doesn't have anything to do with the age factor. The thing that is more important, that it's the matter of your interest. If you are interested in something, that you can't be bored while talking on it for many hours or for many minutes as well. But if you are not interested in any topic, then right from from inner part of your body that you feel, oh, I'm not interested in it, I might get bored of it. So that might be the reason that you are not interested in something.
Okay.
That's why you get bored.
Okay. What do you do to relax yourself at the weekend?
Why I use to tidy up my room.
Okay. Don't say use.
Okay.
I make my room tidy.
Okay, I make my
Or
room.
you can say the word, use this idiomatic phrase, I do up my room.
Yes. Okay. I do up my room and place all the things at the place at the weekend, and then make a cup of coffee for me, and then relax and watch my favorite movie or my favorite program on the TV, and that's it.
Okay.
I spend my weekend.
All right, that's good. Just
Okay.
go on like this. You have part one, it's fine.
Thank you.
All right, your turn. All right, so your topic is foreign food. Whenever there is foreign food, don't be upset. Burgers, pizzas, shawarmas, Chinese food, Italian food, Mexican, or even that we have fast food, even that is foreign food, right? Yeah, pizzas, you can talk about that. So foreign food is the topic, right? My first question is, have you ever tried foreign food?
Yes, of course. I am many times I've tried to eat more different flavors in the young foods like burgers, pizza, and shawarmas. And mostly favorite is my shawarma.
Okay, now see, your sentences are not proper. You need to focus in your sentence. They should be proper subject, then they should be verb, then they should be object. So you should focus your sentence structure, right? Have you ever tried foreign food? The question is in present perfect tense. So answer should also come in present perfect tense. Yes, very recently I tried a Mexican dish that was really nice and I enjoyed that. So I have tried several foreign dishes like that. Okay. Do you like to try new food?
Yes, I like to.
Listen, whenever they ask you question with do you like, you don't need to say yes I like. Simply say yes I do or no I don't. Yes I do or no I don't. So do you like to try new food?
Yes, I do. I do some new dishes in my home for my family, and sometimes I want some special for me. I make some special thing for me, and other person if wants to share with me.
Okay, you should speak a bit louder than this, okay? That's important. What kind of new food you have tried recently? Now you can talk about something that you have tried recently. Whether you made it at home or you ate it in a restaurant, no problem.
Okay, I recently make something like sweet dish for my family, and everyone tasted.
Now you should mention Mexican sweet dish, Iranian sweet dish, or even if you
Chinese.
don't know the name, no problem. You can say Italian sweet dish. It is called chiku biku, whatever comes to your mind, okay? So,
Something.
all right, I ask you one more question. What kind of foreign food is popular in your country?
I think is the most important and popular item in junk food, like pizza. Mostly people
Pizza.
Pizza. Mostly people too much lover about the pizza, and like especially cheese pizza. And some people wants different.
Some
tasted-
people want.
Some people want different tasted in this item.
Okay,
So,
now you will not describe pizza, you will just talk about it as a popular food. So pizzas are very common. There are so many restaurants that only offer pizza, and we've got some street restaurants as well where pizza is very common. So I think pizza has become a common sight. Common sight is something that you see everywhere in my country, right? So you should focus your grammar. Did you take grammar class today?
Yes, sir.
You should take it regularly and learn all the things like tenses and all that. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thanks
sir.
a lot.